Hello everyone, this is Dr. Janvi Mishra. Welcome to Avikarma channel. If you want to know more about yoga and how yoga make your quality of life better, so stay connected on this channel. Today I am going to give you small tips that how in lower back pain, small asanas you can practice and you can get rid of this particular pain. So let's start without any delay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is useful for you all. If you have any queries, please free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to share to your friends and family members. Stay connected and stay healthy.